everybody, welcome to episode 15 of Model Car Memories. I'd first like to thank all of our new subscribers. I've gotten a bunch of them here in the last week or two. Thank you for joining me on this. And just a reminder, majority of this is all model cars that my stepdad had and he put together in the 60s. But what I'm going to do on this one, I'm going to do this a little different. Do a sort of a series here on this one. Got this here, the Ford Cougar 2. Still got the price tag on it, $199. So with this one here, if you look into it, you got the decal sheet here, but it's partially put together here. I don't know if I can salvage this or not. Some of these things here are kind of melted on, so I'm gonna try to see if I can finish putting this one together and see what it's like. We got the engines in there. The wheels are a little messed up on this here. I might be able to pull some of this off and fix that. Let me go dig through the kit here. There's a door right there. Does have the instructions still here. There's a little kit. Ooh, whoa, I don't think this engine went with it. Nope, there's an engine already in here, so there's a spare engine in here. Okay, I think that's some little pieces there. Oh, look, there's some full trim here. Okay, there's one of the headlights. The headlights got pop-up headlights on it, and one of them's out. And then, well, that seat didn't go over there. So there's another. Oh, these. Oh, I'm gonna have to get something to pry that apart. Is that the? Yeah, it's part of the exhaust there. So I'm gonna do several different videos on this. See if I can finish putting this one back together. It's probably quite a big repair job on it as well. And we'll see what we got. It's not the body hasn't been painted, but it looks like it's molded in a metallic, red or beige or something like that. So okay, and those two seats are in there, so I don't know what that seat goes to. Must have been a custom kit. But stick with me on the other video, and I'll come back to you later this weekend or something like that to show you the progress on it. I got a little piece there, it's getting ready to fall apart. And see if I get this thing back together. Put that there so I don't lose it. Is anything on that T? Nope, there's nothing there. And another decal sheet. This thing looks pretty toasty there. So there's another intake manifold for something. So maybe that'll go in the spare parts bin. So like I said, we're going to do this as the Ford Cougar 2. If anybody knows what year this might have come out, let me know. Let's see. It says IMC 1/25th scale, kit number 103-200. And let's see. Retractable lights, workable steering, opening doors, opening hood, operating windows, pressure vent flap, tubular frame, chrome wheels, 260 cubic inch high performance engine. So, but like I said, pass this along. Like I said, thank you for all the new people that's joined, and people that's been suggesting other people to join in. And remember, I also got an Instagram page as well. So if you look up Model Car Memories on Instagram. And if you're watching this for the first time and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel and to get updates on it. Thanks.